Today we're diving into Lemlist, a powerful cold email and multi-channel outreach platform. Let's see if it lives up to the hype though. Lemlist stands out with its multi-channel sequencing. You can automate emails, LinkedIn tasks, and even call steps through VoIP to build dynamic outreach flows. Its sequence builder is highly flexible and condition-based, letting you trigger actions like sending follow-ups or pausing campaigns based on link clicks or replies. Personalization is Lemlist's forte. You can insert dynamic text, images like logos or names, and even AI-generated content into emails, making each message feel uniquely crafted. Lead generation features are robust as well. Built-in B2B contact database, email finder and verifier, along with deliverability-focused tools like Lemwarm that help build sender reputation. Pricing-wise, Lemlist offers a free plan and a 14-day free trial. Plus, tiers ranging from starter, which is $32 to $69 a month, through multi-channel expert, $79 to $99 a month, and enterprise with custom pricing. It also integrates with major CRMs, supports AI-driven campaign creation, and provides extensive learning resources and community support. However, it's not all smooth sailing. The steep learning curve can overwhelm new users, especially when setting up personalization or multi-channel sequences. Some users report technical glitches, buggy performance, or UI frustrations. And customer support perceptions are mixed. While some sorts highlight helpful support, others cite poor service or slow responses, particularly on G2 and other platforms. Pricing can also be on the higher side for smaller teams focused on budgets. In summary, Lemlist shines if you need personalized multi-channel outreach with powerful automation, lead gen, and deliverability tools. It's great for small B2B teams or agencies that value flexibility and integration. But if you're on a tight budget, new to cold outreach, or need rock-solid support and stability, you may want to explore simpler or more affordable alternatives.